Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best tech purchases. Today, we're soaring into the world of drones with a head-to-head comparison between the Ruko F11PRO and the istone istone. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the price. The Ruko F11PRO is priced at $389, which is on the higher end, but promises a range of features that justify the cost. Reviewers have mentioned that it's worth the investment for its performance and build quality. On the other hand, the istone istone is a budget-friendly option at just $119. However, some reviewers pointed out that you might encounter issues like poor build quality and performance. So, if you're on a budget, the i5 is easier on the wallet, but the Ruko F11PRO offers more value for the price. When it comes to flight time, the Ruko F11PRO outshines with a total of 60 minutes, thanks to its dual batteries. This has been a highlight for many users who appreciate the extended flying sessions. The istone i5 offers a 30-minute flight time, which, while decent, doesn't quite match up to the F11PRO. So if you're looking for longer flights, the Ruko F11PRO is the better choice. In terms of camera quality, the Ruko F11PRO features a 4K UHD camera that delivers stunning visuals, as praised by many reviewers. It's perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. The istone i5, however, comes with a 1080p camera, which is good but doesn't compare to the Ruko's 4K quality. Some users have also reported issues with video quality and stability on the istone istone. For top-notch camera performance, the Ruko F11PRO is the clear winner. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Ruko F11PRO offers numerous user-friendly features like Follow Me mode, tap fly, and hand gesture shots, making it very intuitive to operate. Reviewers have highlighted these features as making the drone easy and fun to fly. The istone istone also offers features like headless mode and one-key start landing, but users have reported issues with stability and control, making it less reliable. Therefore, the Ruko F11PRO is more beginner-friendly. Portability can be a deal-breaker for many. The Ruko F11PRO is robust and has a solid build, but it's not the most portable option. The istone istone, on the other hand, is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. However, some users have noted that its lightweight build makes it susceptible to wind and other elements. If portability is your main concern, the istone istone is the better choice, but be mindful of its limitations. Customer service is another important aspect. Ruko offers 30 days of returns and 90 days of free warranty, which many reviewers found reassuring. On the flip side, the istone istone's customer service has received mixed reviews, with some users struggling to get their issues resolved. If after-sales support is crucial for you, Ruko seems to have a better track record. Overall, the reviews lean favorably towards the Ruko F11PRO, highlighting its superior build quality, extended flight time, and excellent camera. The istone istone, while budget-friendly and portable, has received mixed reviews mostly due to performance and reliability issues. So, there you have it. The Ruko F11PRO and the istone istone each have their own strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for advanced features and reliability, the Ruko F11PRO is your best bet. But if you need something affordable and portable, the istone istone is a decent choice. Let us know in the comments which drone you would choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Product links are in the description below. Happy flying!